Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch live football on your smart TV using the simple built-in apps and online streaming options without any extra devices. So to begin with, you need to turn on the smart TV and connect it to a stable internet connection using Wi-Fi or a LAN cable. Once connected, simply open the App Store on your TV. Now you need to search for the sports streaming application that sports live football, and then you just have to install it. You can also open the web browser on your TV and search for goal.com. Over here you are going to see all of the latest news and the live broadcasting of the football matches. So here you can also come here. So once you have either installed the application or opened the website in your web browser, you just have to go to the live sports option. There you are going to see the live TV section. So here you will see all of the all ongoing and the upcoming football matches. So simply select the match and start watching and click on the option of play. If the video is not loading smoothly, you can close the other running applications on your TV and then restart the streaming app for better performance. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.